Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today here we have the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5, the global version, and we're going to do a very quick unboxing of this device here so you will know what you will get in the box. Now bear in mind that I have already covered the Mi Pad 5, the Mi Pad 5 Pro, the keyboard and the pen, everything I've covered on my channel. So if you want to see more about those details, the full review and everything you can do with this tablet right here, check it out on my channel. But today I'm just going to be focusing on the unboxing of the global version Mi Pad 5. So as you can see on my desk today, I have the Mi Pad 5, the keyboard and the pen. The keyboard and pen are just here for fun. I'm just going to show you what's in the box as well. So let's begin. Alright, so here and foremost, you can see the Mi Pad 5. This is the global version. I'm just going to unbox it very quickly and just cut through this so you can see. There's only 2 seals by the way, so it's pretty easy to open up. And there you go. So right, first and foremost, you will see the Mi Pad 5 right here. And of course, you do get to see a couple of key specifications on the plastic paper itself. But we're here to see what else is in the box. That's the most important, guys. So of course, we also have another small box here. Let's check out what's really in here. Nothing much, just a couple of manuals that you probably will not read. We're going to put this down for a second and see what else is in the box. And yep, we have another box at the bottom here, right here. And I'm guessing this is going to be something you will like. So yes, this is a charger in a box, guys. We have a brand new charger here. According to the numbers, it is the 22.5 watt charger. And yes, we also have one more item in the box, that is the USB Type-C cable. Now, in the China version, notice that the box was very small and all that. It didn't come with the charger, so a lot of you people were wondering like whether the global version will come with the charger. And good news, it comes with the charger as well as the Type-C cable. So we're going to put that down for now and we're going to check out the tablet very quickly. I'm just going to go and show you a couple of specs here before I peel off these plastics. So first up, obviously you already know this is an 11-inch device. It comes with a LCD panel that comes in at 120 Hz refresh rate. So that's on the first. The second thing we have here is the quad stereo speakers. Xiaomi is focusing on that. The third thing we have here is, of course, the processor of this device here. That is the Snapdragon 860. And this is the Mi Pad 5, guys, not the Mi Pad 5 Pro. The last thing that Xiaomi wants to highlight here is the 8720 mAh battery. So you've got a huge battery in this Mi Pad 5 here. And again, if you want to see the full in-depth review of this guy, check it out on my channel. I have everything right there. Now we're going to proceed and just unplastic this guy very quickly. And there you go, guys. This is the Mi Pad 5 in its full glory. Of course, you have already seen this many times now, but yeah, my version comes in the white and there is a black. Yeah, but this is how it looks like. Still looks like a great device. Alright, so we're going to put this down for now and unbox the other 2 stuff that I have here on the desk today just for fun. Alright, I'm going to put this down. And oh, I just want to apologize, but you can see a lot of my kitchen here because today we have a desk. Usually we don't have that. But yeah, let's proceed right here to the smart keyboard. So I'm just going to go and try and tear it open. And there you go. You have this keyboard, the Xiaomi Pad keyboard. So very quickly, we're going to unbox it as well. And oops, sorry about that. It's a bit loud. And of course, we do get the Xiaomi Pad keyboard in here, in the plastics as well. So very quickly, there is nothing else in the box. So don't expect anything else. It's literally just the keyboard case itself. So we're going to unwrap this. And yeah, there you go. It does come with this thing in the middle. And you have a plastic piece of paper here, which is not a screen protector. You only get the keyboard. This is it. Alright guys, done with the keyboard unboxing. Last but not least, the Xiaomi Smart Pen. We're going to check out what we get in this little box right here for fun. And it actually comes with a pull tab already. So you just slide it open like this. And you probably will be able to see some manuals here. Let's check out what we have in here. Yeah, you do get a couple of manuals here. Fun for you guys who likes to read stuff. And there is one more little plastic in there. And yeah, this is actually the pen's tip. For instance, if you use the pen for quite some time now and then you will need to replace the tip, there is an additional tip in the box right here. Pretty good. And of course, you have the pen which just flew off the table. I'm going to pick it up right now. And there you go, guys. This is the Xiaomi Smart Pen. Didn't intend to drop it, but yeah, I think it still looks fine right here. We're going to unplastic this guy as well. I think I can just pull it off right here. And there you go, guys. This is the Xiaomi Smart Pen. All right, there you have it. This is the full global version of everything you might need to buy if you're getting the Xiaomi Pad 5. Again, the Xiaomi Pad 5 right here. You also have the keyboard case right here and the Smart Pen right here. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like videos like this, don't forget to sub to the channel. Do drop a like if you support the content like this as well and the kitchen. And I'll see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye!